round ya gatatu. Bimeze biti? First lady.
Where were you earlier this evening?
Why weren't you at the ball, Miss Melody?
So many people were looking.
Abantu bose bagushatse.
I'm sure the First Lady has a good reason for her absence.
First lady bari afite impamvu nzima yatumye asiba ibirori.
Time with the Queen to further strengthen the relation with Maldi Viano Ponte.
Yari ari kumwe n'umwamikazi bari kugerageza kuganira ku buryo bakomeza umubano na Maldi Viano Ponte.
First lady is planning to do this.
Genda bizi ibyo First lady yapangaga gukora iki gitondo.
Is this really who you are, First?
Ese uyu ni uriwe koko First lady?
I to your husband so soon after.
Ugiye kubaho ubeshya umugabo wawe Perezida.
Two.
Mwembi babiri.
Madame Ambrosia.
Madame Ambrosia.
First lady Soledad.
First lady Soledad.
Have you ever lied to your husband?
Mukiri ba First lady?
Of course.
Mwigeze mubeshya abagabo banyu?
I would
Oya.
never lie to him.
Ntabwo wabeshya umugabo wawe Perezida.
Wouldn't like that.
Umugabo wanjye ntabwo yari kubikunda.
That's a no-no for first ladies like
Oya First lady ubeshya Perezida si ubwabaho. Baramusebeje.
you know, Mr. President.
Mr. Perezida.
Went to the OFW Center
Nari mbizi ko umugore wanjye yagiye kuri OFW Center.
without country.
Yagiye guhura n'abandi bene igihugu bacu bakorayo.
Yes, Senator.
Yego senateri nari nzi aho umugore wanjye yagiye. Aramuburanira. Umugore wawe ari kuzi kumuteza abantu yaramuburaniye. Ngo yarazo yagiye nubwo atarabizi.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Bagore namwe bagabo.
speak to my wife in private.
Mwamba akanya nkaganira n'umugore wanjye se noneho twenyine. Mukaba mugiye. Rebe. Sigarano. Yeah.
So you knew?
Warubizi?
Yes.
Yego.
Val guaranteed that you would be safe.
Vari yari yansezeranije kuri buze kubutekanye.
All of the two of you are
Nahise nohereza n'abandi bagabo bo kukurinda. Mwibanga. Mbabarire.
I shouldn't have lied and told you that I was.
Ntabwo nakabaye nakubeshye ngo nkubwire ko ndwaye ntameze neza. Ukabanje kubeshya agarwaye mu nda.
Are you mad?
Wandakariye.
and be mad at you. You know that, my love.
Urumva nashobora kukurakarira my love. Nka perezida ariko
Disappointed.
gusa wantengushye
Broke the protocol again. And
kubera ko nangije protokoli. Yeah.
I just wish you told me about it.
Wari kuba wabimbwiye byose mbere. Ntabwo nari kukwangira.
right.
Uravuga ukuri.
I should know as your wife. I should not have lied to you.
Nk'umugore wawe nakagombye ko mbizi ko nagomba kukubeshya.
It's from you.
Ko nta n'ibanga ngomba kuguhisha.
I promise I will not do it again.
Ndagusezeranya ntibizongera.
I wanted to make it up to you. And I really wanted to help Mila and the people that I work with.
Numvaga nshaka gufasha Mayila n'abagenzi be.
I know that you're always motivated by going
Ndabizi Uwiteka icyo uba ugamije ni ikintu cyiza gusa. Perezida aramuzi.
too much.
Niyo mpamvu gukunda cyane. Yeah. Perezida ngaramuzi. Umugore icyo abagamije ni icyiza gusa.
Promise I won't do it again.
Ndagusezeranya sinzongera.
I love you so much. I love you.
Ndagukunda cyane. Ndagukunda cyane. Yeah. Perezida ari mu rukundo. Yifumburiye umukozi wo mu rugo ahita amubwira ati twibera abasheri. Buriya wabona namwe ingo zanyu zizubakwa neza mukagira amahoro nimwirukana ba mabuja mukashaka abakozi.
How are you doing?
Umeze ute? Kumbe dore mama ari kuganira na First Lady. Melody.
Why do you look so sad, my
Kuki
good?
mbona utishimye mwana wanjye?
I'm just tired, Mom.
Ndananiwe mama.
You're tired?
Urananiwe?
I'm still tired from last night.
Ya ndananiwe kubera akazi k'ijoro ryahise.
She's tired.
We arananiwe we muzi mureba hamagara ba umuryango arananiwe.
I'm going to be...
Bisobanuye ko twite ngiye kuba nyogokuru baza ariko umukecuru urarongorwa wambwira ngo urananiwe kumva ko twite.
Oh, wait. My grandchild can't take after you.
We uriya mwuzukuru wanjye sinshaka azasa nkama.
But name your baby.
Umwana uzamwita nde?
I'm still thinking about it.
Ndacyabitekerezaho.
Stop it.
Ariko murekeraho. Ntabwo ntwite.
Tired because Glenn and I did
Ndananiwe
last night.
kubera ko hari akazi ijoro ryahise njye na Glen twakoze. Hey! Hari ikintu bakoze. Umva mama ariko. Mwakoze iki?
Hey guys, I'm just tired from our visit.
Umva nanishwe n'ibirori byabaye ijoro ryahise twakoze. We mutekereza ibintu bibi. Mama yaratangiye gutekereza ngo haye wumve mama. Twe tuzi ko ari icyabaye. Yagira umuntu ugufata nabaho rero kwa perezida. Uzatubwire tuze tubigishe isomo. Ariko utinya no kujya mu ndege. Ariko PJ irahari. Azarinda Melody.
Worry about me, Mom.
Mama ntugire ikibazo.
Dad, I never give up hope and faith.
Always remember that, okay?
Iteka uzahora ubyibuka.
Kick you down or bully you.
Yagerageza kugira umuntu ugushyira hasi.
Will always be here.
Famiye yawe izazi kuzamura.
Again.
Tuzakuzamura.
In you, Melody. You...
Kuko tukwizerera mu Melody.
We are so proud of you.
Ndetse dutewe ishema nawe.
Yes, Melody.
Yeah.
Don't forget what I said, my daughter, okay?
kandi wibagirwa ibyo nkubwiye mwana wanjye sibyo
Come on, Mom.
ibiki
That I shouldn't be sad or because you're going to worry about your little girl.
Oh no, be sad as long as you want to. I meant, don't forget to buy us gifts when you get back, right?
ntuzibagirwe kutuzanira impano nugaruka ni mama arabwira umukobwa we
Send me a video greeting from King Eldrick.
ikindi uza kwifata video uri gusuhuza umwami Eldrick
Okay, okay?
mubwire amazina yanjye yose umubwire ko ndi mama wawe
Okay?
abantu bose bamenye ko ari njye mama wawe
And in full name.
bagutwika
Mom, you got
ya rekeraho mama
Okay, bye Melody.
bye Melody iyi ni famiye ye baba bamuhaye akavido ngo babe bayavuga bamuhamagaye ya
Job well done, Secretary Barrios.
akazi kakozwe neza sekreteri Barrios
Yes. Our bilateral agreement has been finalized and is now ready.
amasezerano n'ubwumvikane by'umubano wacu ubu ngubu biri kurangira biragenda neza
Ready from this.
Yes.
ndetse abakozi baje gukora no muri Philippines bazabyungukiramo
Eldrick is cooperating.
umwami Eldrick ni umuntu mwiza ukorana natwe
At the press conference later,
turaza guhurira mu nama y'abanyamakuru nyuma ubwo ngubwo tugiye gusinya
Secretary.
ni politike
Mr. Ambassador, Mr. Secretary.
minsi y'ambasada sekreteri
This way, please.
hakuno niho umuco nabaje guhura na perezida
Thank you, Mr. President.
urakoze Mr. Perezida
Congratulations.
felicitasiyo
This is another legacy to your president.
ibi ni ibindi bigwi wubatse ushyize ku izina rye rya perezida
The beginning. And I'm planning to do a lot more, Senator.
ndi gupanga gukora ibirenzeho kurusha
As Senator, I know we can accomplish a lot of things.
ndetse ndabizi mfatanije nawe twagera kuri byinshi
I was really wondering,
nibazaga
presence in a senatorial slot would mean a lot to us. I hope you can join us.
kuba uri muri sena ukaba waza tukanakorana byaba akarusho kurusha
Mr. President. Your persistency. Don't worry.
ndagushimira ko ukomeje kumatiriza ngo nkorere nawe
It ends.
ntugire ikibazo ngiye kubitekerezaho ndagaruka nkubwire perezida ari gushaka umugarura mu kazi
May I know the reason why? You just
ese namenya impamvu utari guhita wemera kuza kunkorera
President. I'm still consulting with my close allies.
ndacyari kubanza kubaza abantu banjye dukorana bya hafi
First, what my supporters want
ndetse mbanze nanamenye ngo abantu bashyigikira nzaba nkeneye ni abahe menye n'icyo abayoboke banjye bashaka
with the best decision.
kugira ngo uzabe ari umwanzuro muzima mfashe wo kugaruka muri politiki ngakorana nawe
Yes, Senator. Go
Thank
ahead.
you.
ndakumva seneta perezida amenye muzi w'ubushobozi kuko baramwinginga ngo agaruke mu nteko bakorane kumbe tuvuye aratugarukeho
thought you still had a video conference with your cabinet members.
nari nzi ko ukiri kuri video call mu nama uvugana n'abagize cabinet
Our break before going back to the meeting.
mfite isaha imwe yo kuruhuka kugira ngo nsubire mu nama hano na madamu basuye igihugu
It's so beautiful, isn't it?
hano ni heza
We've never imagined that is the exact place where we first met.
nta muntu wari uzi ko hano hantu tuzongera kuhahurira kandi ariho twahuriye bwa mbere mu mateka bwa mbere bahura ni hano bahuriye bamenyaniye yatangiye kubyibuka arabyibuka yari umunsi umwe ari mu nzira agenda yagonganye na perezida icyo gihe bwa mbere bahuriye hano perezida yandikira aramureba yarabyibutse hano bahagaze niho bahuriye bwa mbere ngo ko mana yanjye
This is also where I lost my favorite storybook.
hano hantu niho naburiye igitabo cyanjye cy'inkuru
You will return it to me,
ntabwo nari nzi ko uzagitora ukakingarurira
River.
ndetse ukampindurira n'ubuzima burundu
Why, I'm thankful to you, my
niyo
love,
mpamvu gushimira iteka
because you made my
kuko
fairy tale.
watumye icyitwaga nk'imigani kuri njye kiba impamo za ndotuma wumva nk'inzozi z'ibimpamo
You're the reason why I can fall in love.
wa mukobwa we nanjye wanyigishije kongera gukunda
You're the most beautiful blessing ever. I
mu
thank
yandi magambo niwe mugisha
you to me.
mwiza imana yampaye
And I won't let anything ruin what we have.
ntabwo nzatuma hari icyangiza ibyo dufite
You're a passionate supporter. Okay?
uranyumva
Glenn, I would fiercely protect what we have to.
nanjye ntabwo natuma ibyo biba tugomba gukora icyo tugomba gukora
Get you in trouble.
sinshaka kongera gushyira mu bibazo
Even rescued me from Ma'am illegal scolding.
nijoro washatse no kugaragaza ko wari uzi aho nagiye kugira ngo nkure hejuru baregara bari bari kuntonganya
No. And I'm grateful to you for that.
ndabigushimira kandi yamurenganuye
That's why
cyangwa se yamuvuganuye niyo mpamvu
I figured out a way so that it won't happen again.
nabonye uburyo ki ntazongera kugusebyamo ngo iki
Glenn,
Glenn
why don't Why don't we just give the first...
waretse titire ya first lady mukayinyambura mukayisubiza nina. Njye sinitwe first lady wawe, higa nkibera nk'umusheri wawe ariko nitwa first lady wawe kubera iki?
You're always getting embarrassed because of me.
Kuko iteka uzahora useba kubera njye. Njye ndagaturage, kare wabeshye kubera njye.
Love, then you wouldn't have to do it.
Mbaye nari first lady wawe, nitwa first lady ntabwo byagutuma usuzugurika.
Lady now.
Mubwira uramutse utari first lady,
Then I'd become the loneliest president.
yaba ari njye perezida ubayeho umwirungu muri iyi si kurusha abandi. Yeah.
But Glenn,
Ariko Glenn,
really not fit to be the first lady.
njye ntabwo nkwiriye kuba first lady.
That's just in your head.
Ibyo ni ibikuri mu mutwe.
Hold on.
Buretse.
One question, people.
Umva ngira icyo mbabaza. Muri mwe ntidutekereza ko
The first lady suits Melody.
first lady wa nyawe aberewe no kuba Melody bose barazamuye. Ati Melody niwe first lady urenze. Basubiza ngo ikize.
See that?
Wabibonye? Yeah.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
You.
Murakoze. Katurore.
Now, wait a second.
Buretse gato perezida menya yarako yamuzaniye. Ari akantu nshaka kukwereka. Karibu tumuseka.
Watch this.
Reba kano. Mama kumbe mweretse video y'abana.
We know that you must be missing
Turabizi uradukumbuye. Niyo mpamvu twagukoreye ino video. Ni abana bamufatiye aka video.
very much.
Turagukumbuye weho na papa.
We wish that we were there to cheer you,
Twakifuje ko natwe twakabaye twajyanye namwe.
but since we're not there,
Yeah, n'utwana abereye mukasa ariko barakundana.
come on me.
Bebe,
Come on me. Come on me.
bana bagira gutya bakamunyurizaho bakamususurutsa gake gake. Yeah,
You can do it, Mom.
papa na mama.
Bye.
Bebe. Dore ibyishimo.
Melody?
Melody, urakoze. Yeah. Bebe,
I love you so much.
ndagukunda cyane. Hey, buretse.
PSGs are...
Ikirari k'abajipo hano bari kutureba. Bikunsiba.
PSGs!
Abajipo bahita bahindukira batera umugongo abantu bakuru bareba utuntu babikorera. Yeah.
Not happening.
Uje ariko nawe barahari n'ubundi.
It's embarrassing. Okay.
Genda umeze nk'uri ku toka satani. Yeah. Bize bite? Saseri hano abaje.
Madam First Lady
Madam First Lady,
wants to see you.
umwamikazi Oruga arashaka kukubona. Umwamikazi Oruga uhindukiye buri umuzimu wase. Yisaza hano. Bebe,
Your Majesty,
nyiricyubahiro.
do you want to speak with me?
Ushaka kumvugisha?
Have you forgotten our agreements?
Wibagiwe amasezerano yanjye nawe?
Escape the palace. So what's the plan?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty,
Mbabarire nyiricyubahiro.
can't.
Yamusezeranije kuzamutorokesha mu ngoro,
Because
ntabwo nabikora.
I promised my husband
Nasezeranije umugabo wanjye
saying no more escaping.
ko nazongera gutoroka no kurenga ku mategeko y'umutekano wanjye nka first lady.
If you deny the queen's request,
Niwanga icyo umwamikazi ngusaba,
insulting the crown,
uraba umeze nk'ututse ikamba nambara.
all one could ever commit.
Uzi ikikubaho iyo usuzuguye ikamba?
Refuse me.
Uramakanira. Uyu mwamikazi aragira ngo bamucikishe mu ngoro y'ubwami nawe akumbuye imihanda. Riga ininja kuyishyira amagu.
The renewal
Kumbe barakwereka perezida ya jana.
of the friendships between our
Uyu
two
munsi
countries
mu gihe duserebura umubano w'ibihugu byombi,
and the Republic of the Philippines.
yaba Philippines ndetse n'igihugu cyacu cya Meridiano Ponte,
I signify the commitment
tugiye gusinya amasezerano yerekeranye
people
imikoranire
earning equal protection
ndetse umutekano
is for Maldives.
ndetse n'ibyerekeranye n'ubukungu muri rusange. Bagiye gusinya mbega amasezerano, kumwe abayobozi basinya amasezerano y'ibijyanye n'ubukungu n'iterambere no kubahana n'umutekano byose muri rusange. ni amasezerano bagiye gusinyana n'iki gihugu.
On behalf of my government,
Uhagarariye guverinoma yanjye
people, I would
n'abantu banjye
gracefully thank King Eldrick for welcoming us to your.
ndagira ngo dushimire umwami Eldrick kubera duhaye ikaze hano.
I would also like to thank King Eldrick's cooperation in a bilateral agreement.
nkanashimira abafashije cyangwa se abakorana na n'uyu mwami Eldrick badufashije muri ubu buhuza bwose. Yeah. Bashi. Ifiri.
Please, Melody.
Melody ndakwinginze.
Stay. Please listen to my...
Nyiricyubahiro ndagira ngo nyumve.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
We should not do this. It's...
Ntabwo bino dukwiye kubikora.
This will kill us. Like...
Umugabo wanjye yanyica.
I've wanted to do this for a very long time. Now...
maze igihe kinini nifuza gutoroka mu ngoro y'ibwami. Ngomba kunshikisha nabonye utoroka weho nanjye njye kuri gisi.
Queen, you...
Mwamikazi arashaka gutoroka. Riga abantu bakumbuye imihanda ariko uzi kujyana uriya muntu kugenda inyuma.
Do not. I miss the danger and spontaneity.
Ndumva nkumbuye ibyago ibibazo.
I became just a queen.
Apana kwicara ngo nitwe umwamikazi gusa.
Purpose.
Kera nanjye nabayeho mfite intego yanjye, ndi umukobwa ufite intego, nzakora ibingere kuri ibi. Ntabwo nifuza kwitwa ngo ndi umugore w'umuperezida cyangwa se w'umwami, nitwe ngo ndi umwamikazi wameze nk'ivaze nteretse aho gusa. Ati nanjye nari mfite intego yanjye.
Right?
Bimfashemo nongere numva ubuzima hanze uko bumera.
You had been doing before.
We bino wabikozeho mbere.
To be free sometimes.
Ese ntabwo ukumbuye kongera kubaho wigenga, nta bajepe bakwiruka inyuma, ujya ushaka ukora icyo ushaka. Yatangiye kwibuka abandi bafastire dukuntu bajya bamuseka bamubwira nabi.
Then too late, Ambrosia. That's it.
Igihe cyamujyanye ntacyo twamuhinduraho. Bafite ukuntu bajya bamuvugira b'abafastire d'ibandi.
But ladies, we really did our best.
Umva twamukoreye ibishoboka tuve hano twigendere.
I know how you feel, Your Majesty.
Buryo yumva ndabyumva nyiricyubahiro.
Please help me.
Rero mfasha.
Feel normal again. Even for...
Shanka kongera kumva ndi normale.
Your Majesty, but...
Nyiricyubahiro ariko.
Even if I agree to help you...
Niyo nabyemera gufasha.
Can we get out of the palace?
Mu ngoro twasohokamo dute?
We were just... lucky yesterday.
Twebwe ejo ubwo twaturukaga mu ngoro twagize amahirwe tubona imodoka ije gupakira intebe isohotse turayipanda. Nitwiyoberanya ntabwo batumenya. Mwiyoberanya mu biki? Hari uwinjiye.
My queen, what are you...
Mwamikazi, muriyoberanya ngo mu biki? Bebe. Iyi filime umujepana bari kubumva. Barabigenza bati. Baratoroka mu ngoro y'ibwami. Kumbe dore biyoberanije, dore umwamikazi ukuntu yamaze kwambara. Asohokanye na Melody. Baratorotse bagiye gutoroka ikigo. Ndetse n'uwabumviye cyangwa se uwabumvisha nawe baramutwaye. Melody bino bintu muri gukora n'ibi cyane. None se nkora iki? Umwamikazi yabinigitse ntabwo namuvuguruza. Umwamikazi kumuvuguruza ashobora no kubwira umwami ngo tumwice bakakwica. Umwamikazi nta muntu umuvugiraho. Babazaniye amasezerano bagiye gusinya y'ubufatanye n'ubuhahirane n'iki hagati y'ibihugu byombi. Yeah.
There's a situation with Melody.
Umva dufite ikibazo na Melody. Wiki?
Understood.
Ndabyumva.
Inayana.
Komeza ubacunge.
Yes,
Yes.
I have a problem.
Dufite ikibazo.
Melody escaped the palace.
Melody yatorotse yaturukanye n'umwamikazi. Ahari gusinyirwa amasezerano amakuru yarahageze. Amakuru abagezeho turabigenza ute? Turibwa mu mwamikazi ari gucika ngo agiye imihanda agakumbuye imihanda. Imihanda iramuhamagaye. Ajyana n'uyu. Baratorotse. Uyu yabimenye.
Mr. President.
Aza kubibwira President.
We have a situation.
Dufite ikibazo hano.
Madam First Lady left the palace.
First Lady yamaze gusohoka mu ngoro. Yajyanye n'umwamikazi uruga. Urebe yari kwisinyira nta makuru afite ko umwamikazi we yasohotse. Yanamucitse. Hari amakuru yaje shishishishu. Bayakubita umwe. shyushyushyushyu igera mu matwi y'umwami. Umva urabizi ko umwamikazi wawe yatorotse se, yatorokanye na Melody, wa wundi usanzwe utoroka ahubwo wabigize umwuga. Amakuru amugezeho amasezerano yendaga gusinywa. Uyu yahise abanza arayafunga. Amasezerano Bebe Katururi bimeze biti, bano barabibonye basa nk'abasekamo. Dore ukuntu barebana, ni abafastiridi ba kera. Perezida yarababaye kumva ko umugore yarayiyemye ngo ntazongere kurenga ku mabwiriza y'umutekano yatorotse.
President needs to know about this.
Perezida afite kumenya,
Needs to know about
abantu bakwiye kumenya ko uri kumwe n'umwamikazi. Tubipostinge ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Umwana asutse.
Tell Flynn. I promise
Oya.
I will not leave the palace or
Ntabwo nabita mva mu ngoro ngo mbipostinge cyangwa mbishyire hanze umugabo wanjye ntabimubwiye mbere.
I miss being out and about without no one following me.
Nari nkumbuye kujya hanze nta muntu umukurikiyeho. N'umwamikazi amenyereye kugenda akurikiwe n'abantu ameze nk'urinzwe.
I need to report to
Melody mbabarire,
tell him we are
mfite kumenyesha Conrad aho turi, n'ushinzwe umutekano.
Understand, but
Vari ndabyumva,
be the one who tell Glenn about this.
ariko nijye ugomba kubibwira umugabo wanjye mbere y'undi uwo ari we wese.
He's doing.
Murakora ibice, umwamikazi arababona, barashaka kumuteza abantu kandi arashaka kuba ari hanze.
Your Majesty,
Nyiricyubahiro,
Glenn that we are okay. So that
turashaka kubwira Glenn ko tumeze neza. Glenn muri perezida wuya
my husband, then he will give me.
yahitohereza umugabo wanjye bakaza bakankura hano, kandi ndacyashaka kuzerera.
Give me your phone.
Mumereze telefone zanyu,
Give me your phone.
mpereza telefone yawe y'uno mwamikazi.
but I cannot do that.
Ntabwo nabikora,
Queen's order.
iri ni itegeko ry'umwami.
Crown.
Gusuzugura ikamba, gusuzugura ikamba baguca umutwe.
Just give it to her.
We muhe telefone, uyu ni madamu perezida, umwamikazi abamurenze.
Give me your phone. Yours too.
Nawe sana telefone yawe ni fast ready. Nawe umwamikazi amwaka telefone, umwamikazi aba ari hejuru ye.
That you.
Mwerega nuko Queen iri zina Queen mwarije kurisuzugura, ariko umwamikazi abarenze. Mwe mumenyereye baba Queen mubona mu tubari nyine bari kunywa ubuyoga, niyo mpamvu mutakimenya ukuntu umwamikazi ubundi abarenze. Abwira fast ready atimereza iyo telefone akayimuha, nawe zani yawe. Iyo ni Queen.
But I left my phone in the
Njye
palace.
telefone yanjye nayisize mu rugo mu isakoshi.
You do not want to be found. You're so.
Gusa ndabizi ko udashaka ko bakubona.
Thank you. Nice one.
Bebe,
What are you going to do with that phone?
izo telefone zigiye kuzikoresha iki zacu? Ahita aza hano. Bebe,
What is she doing?
ugiye gukora ibiki? Ahita zita mu mazi. Nakubwiye ngo umwamikazi abahumura, ntabwo aba yikoraho. Umwamikazi yasaze, ntabwo ashaka ko bamubona.
Please, Melody.
Ndakugenze Melody,
No.
basi uyu mugoroba gusa
It's about the palace. Let's forget about our titles and projects.
twibagirwe abo turi bo, twibagirwe titere zacu, twibagirwe mu ngoro y'ibwami.
Please, bring me to a place where you go to have
Basi njyana ahantu iyo usohotse ujye usohokera haguha ibyishimo,
tea.
nanjye njye kurya sho. Umwamikazi arambiwe guhora arinzwe, ahagiye abaje pe iki.
What do you want to do?
Nkora iki? Ngwino nkwereke.
Huh? Oh, that's it? So she just wants to take a stroll, yet she threw away our phones?
My wedding planner's number is in the sea now.
Only
Umva telefone zanjye ubu ngubu ziri mu nyanja, twagiye. Ngiye yanjye ndayifite, uyu wiye arayifite.
Here, come here. Look at this.
Yeah.
Now we rise terraces. It's nice, huh? Famous attraction from the Philippines.
Akorina,
Hey, what happened to her?
urebe bimugendekeye bite?
What?
Reba, arebye ku hano hari ifoto ye, barayihisha. Hari ifoto y'umwamikazi n'umwami bari kumwe mu mujyi, ziba ziri kugurishwa. Komeza imbere.
how much?
That was 15.
Umwamikazi yaje kugura ibiraha, nta n'amafaranga afite.
Hey,
Reka ngo inome witanga impeta umugabo yaguhaye. Yaragiye gutanga impeta ngo bamuhe ibiraha.
come on, just pay for it.
Reka ngwishyurire.
Something else, Lorraine? Hey, come here.
Muze mwicare.
Let us order for you, okay?
Reka tugutumire ibiryo. Ni umwamikazi.
You wanted to go up.
Akumbuye kurya uturyo two mu biryo bw'inyamirambo, yagiye kutugura.
Here, sir, here. We'll order this and this.
Urabizi dukubita akana kariya. Bamuzaniye za burushete z'imbwa zo mu biryo.
So good. You eat it like this.
Iyi bayirya bakurura gutya. Iyi ni iyisi burushete. Umwamikazi aza kurya uturyo two ku muhanda, n'ibi yashakaga.
Really good?
Weka iryoshye. Abaye umurara, yakubitanye n'abarara.
Squid bowl.
Bamukubita hano.
Dip it in the sauce.
Ooh,
yaje kurya bwa buryo bwo ku muhanda bwa senkisa.
This is pretty good.
Biraryoshye.
excuse me.
Ekereyo.
It's good.
Mwakire dore ukuntu ariko bari kumuseriva n'ubundi nguyu n'umwamikazi uko byamera kose.
Orange egg.
Wait, what are you saying? What orange egg?
Not orange egg. It's quail.
Lata iyi ni kweke bayita kweke.
Oh, okay.
Stop acting like you know what you're saying.
Uyaza kurya.
Wow, that's good.
Kano kantu kararenze nako. Yaje kurya ibyo ku muhanda rebe.
I like all of it. Sure.
Mwamikazi arwaye inzoka ngo yariye ibintu byo ku muhanda mwasubiza iki?
Sure.
Baje kwicara hano.
Okay.
Yeah. Yarabikumbuye.
You should try this.
Go ahead. Val,
It's all
get her
for
something
you.
to drink.
Wigenda usa n'akantu ko kunywa.
Try this. Try this.
Gerageza na kano wumve. Bari kumuha keya.
Try with the sauce.
Yeah.
Try this.
Barishije umwamikazi ibiryo byo mu biryogo by'imihanda.
Gulaman.
Iyo twita salamigi.
Wow.
Bamukubita n'icyuma.
It's sagut gulaman.
Icyo ni icyuma.
Sagut gulaman.
Sago gulaman.
This is good.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is unacceptable.
Ibi bintu ntabwo nabyemera.
I am sure it was your wife who convinced
Uwabikoze ni umugore wawe biriya wumvishije umugore wanjye ngo bajyane.
Your Majesty,
Nyiricyubahiro.
he's not capable of doing something as
Umugore wanjye ntabwo ibyo bintu yabikora.
What are you saying? That it was the queen?
Urashaka kuvuga se ko umwamikazi ari we wabikoze?
on anybody at this point.
Muri kano kanya byaba byiza tudatunganya intoki.
First, so we can find them, right?
Ahubwo tugashaka uburyo twababona tukamenya aho bari.
Your Majesty,
Nyiricyubahiro.
what of my presidential security is with Melody and the Queen. I'm confident that she's not going to allow any...
Ubwo bari kumwe n'ushinzwe umutekano Vari, ndakeka ko nta kintu kirubaho kibi.
Because if any harm comes,
Nihagira ikiba ku mugore wanjye,
you can forget about any agreement.
wibagirwa amasezerano yose twari kugirana y'ubufatanye. Urebe kandi bigiye kuba ngo amasezerano yibagiwe. Kandi amasezerano afite igihugu akamaro. Iyo yamuzanye mu ruzinduko ibaze kuba agiye ashoboye amasezerano ashobora kuyabura kubera umugore yasohokanye umwamikazi.
Been deployed. We also requested the local police to help find them.
Conrad, were you able to contact Val or Melody?
Wigeze ubasha kuvugana na Vari cyangwa Melody?
Neither of them is picking up the phone.
Telefone zabo ntabwo ziri gucamo. Ziri mu nyanja twe turabizi nibo bazijugunye.
What is this place?
Hano hantu nzanye ni he?
This is the park. This is where the
Iyi
Philippines.
ni paka niho abakozi bavuye muri Filipine baza kuruhukira.
We have the days off.
Iyo babonye akaruhuko.
About everything here, even the problems.
Ibibazo byabo niho babiganirira, niho bavuganira, niho bakinira.
The system. That is where all the Filipinos who have problems with their
Abafilipine bose bafitanye ibibazo n'abakoresha babo binaha mu gihugu cyanyu niho baza kubiganirira.
Were the Filipinos unhappy with their Maldiviano employers?
None se gute abanyefilipine baba barakajwe bafite ibibazo by'abakoresha?
There's a lot of
Ni
Maldivians
ukubera ko abakozi benshi bakora muri Maldiviano Port igihugu cyanyu
outside their households. So
ntago baba mu ngo bakoramo.
living room, in the kitchen,
Barara mu gikoni, mu
so
madushe.
for just 8 hours, many Filipinos are forced to work all day and all night.
Ati mu gihe ubundi amasaha y'umukozi ari amasaha 8 abanyefilipine babahatiriza gukora amasaha hafi umunsi wose bataruhuka.
I did not know they were suffering like
Ibyo byose ntabwo nari mbizi ko abanyefilipine baba baswa mu gihugu cyacu gutya. Mwamikazi yarabibonye.
Your Majesty,
Nyiricyubahiro.
you know, we Filipinos, we love our families so much.
Twebwe abanyefilipine dukunda imiryango yacu cyane.
We're going to sacrifice everything.
Ku buryo tuje gukora rwose turemera tukavunika cyane gutya.
Filipinos gave us work, and we are very grateful for that.
Kandi ibyo turabishimira.
I hope I can do something to make the situation better.
Ndetse mba ndi kugerageza kureba uko nakora kugira ngo situwasiyo ibe nziza kurusha.
Maldivian citizens, but they also live in this country. They're making this place better too.
Baba bari no gukora kugira ngo hano mu gihugu cyanyu kibe cyiza nacyo kurushaho. yaraje umwamikazi abonye hari abantu babaye mu gihugu cy'abatabizi burarega ukuntu umwamikazi aba ari mu ngoro arya neza abona abakozi ntamenye ko ari umuntu ushonje hasi yaraje abona hari abantu bashonje mu gihugu cye.
You learned a lot from me. I'm so proud of you.
umwamikazi azi ko mwumvishije ibintu we akabyumva.
Saying I'm not acting.
uravuga ibikiraga aribyo ndi kwigira n'ibyanyabyo.
Your Majesty,
nyiricyubahiro
I think we need to go back to...
ndakeka dufite gutaha.
Okay, let's go.
sawa dutahe. dutahe yeah.
No update about the Queen yet.
Mr. President!
Mr. President.
Yes, Your Majesty.
yego nyiricyubahiro wanjye n'umwamikazi aho bari. hari amakuru yavuye mu bajepe. nyakubahwa uyu mukubi baza kureba bamenye ibyo ari byo.
Melody?
Melody.
Glenn, I'm so...
perezida aramuyambira. perezida akunda umugore we.
Glad you're okay.
nishimiye ko basi umeze neza. umwamikazi arasohoka nako fasitiri arasohoka yataha ari muzima bagashima.
Lady bonded today.
I've been calling you, but I couldn't reach you.
naguhamagaye ariko ndakubura.
Queen threw away both their phones.
umwamikazi yajugunye telefone zacu.
How come you still have yours?
wese ko ufite iyawe.
Kid mine, this is expensive.
yanjye nayihishe yanjye ibihenze riga.
Glenn,
Glenn
sorry.
babarire.
Olga ordered us to run away from the palace,
umwamikazi urugani wadutegetse ngo tuvane mu ngoro.
but she took away my...
tugerageza kuguhamagara twambura telefone azijugunya mu nyanja.
It's okay.
bimeze sawa. yeah.
Mr. President!
Mr. President.
Your Majesty.
Brought me to the park.
Melody yanjyanye muri park
Domestic helpers.
aho abakozi b'abafilipine badukorera mu ngo.
We should help them, my king.
yeah.
You shouldn't have done...
First lady hano bari kumusingiza kubera ibyo yakoze.